everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect Modern Combat 5 to Discord. If you want to play Modern Combat 5 Blackout on Discord, first of all, open up the Modern Combat 5 application on your device and log into your account if necessary. Now, go ahead and tap on the down facing arrow at the top right corner, and from the menu, tap on this button over here and click on Discord. This will open up Discord on a browser. If you're not, you'll need to sign into your Discord account using your credentials. After you are signed in, tap on Accept Invite. If you don't have Discord downloaded to your device, you'll need to do it by tapping on the download or the install button within your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once the download is done, tap on Open. After you are done accepting the invite, you will then be able to connect Modern Combat 5 with Discord. You can now go ahead and use the voice channels to talk in real time, join game-related servers to find teammates. With Discord, you are never playing alone. Connect with gamers, organize squads, and make every match a coordinated success. So that was how you can easily connect Modern Combat 5 Blackout to Discord. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.